All right, I'm going to show you very quickly how to add a color grade to your video in DaVinci Resolve. This is the file that I uploaded that shows an example. Maybe you saw that before you saw this video. If not, I will link it in this description because I did a split screen, one side with color correction and one side without. But regardless, if you are new to DaVinci Resolve, you go find your media that you want to use, throw it into this window right here, and then when you jump back over to your edit screen, those files will show up in this section. You will then just throw those in the timeline that you want. There's more to it as far as like the chopping and splicing, but this video is just going to basically be about adding the color correction. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the file that is color corrected and I'm just going to throw that out of the way for now. So what you're currently seeing is the file straight from the DJi Phantom 4 Pro, and it's still doing a split screen. So the way that you create a split screen or uncreate the split screen is right here in your cropping left and right. So you see it's at 1920. Well, this was a 3840 in width. So now we have the entire video up. This will be the way that you import it. It'll be rare that you're doing this, but if you are, I'll make a detailed video on more editing features. But for right now, back to color correction. So you've got your video and it looks all right, but you want to put your color correction on it. We'll have this selected and go click on color. Now you're in color, it shows up in this node. Now what you're gonna do, very easy. If you don't have the right clip selected, you'll have another choice to select it here. Take this node, you're going to right click, come down to 3D, lookup table, LUT, and right here you will see DJi and the Phantom 4. Now, a friend of mine shot this video. I am not sure of which D-Log he has, so I'm just going to click the first one. You can automatically see the color correction has been applied. Now, this is only applied to the node. You need an output channel. So in your blank space here, you right click, add an alpha output, shows up right here. Take this node and drag and drop right here. That's it, guys. That's it. So, and ladies, so you can come back to your edit and this video. We'll jump back over here to this to the grass, because that's really, I mean, what makes a huge difference that you can see on this particular video. Plus these chairs are so red. Now, if there's something that's maybe not perfect about the way that you want the video, you still have all of your other color correcting options after you apply this this LUT, but you're able to look up. I don't have a video on that yet, but there's plenty of videos out there on what these panels do and how to use them. So now let's go back. I want to do something real quick. I'm going to show you how I made the split screen. So we're going to, let's go up here. We'll reset this node. So there is no more color correction applied to this. This is basically, all this is a duplicate. So earlier I moved this over out of the way. That is the color corrected version. Now, as you can see, I have the color corrected version. There's a reason why it looks like this right now. But right now I have the color corrected version on top, and I have already done the crop. As you can see here, the left is cropped. Now we're going to go back to the right, and we're going to crop that out 1920. You can see we've got this thing split right down the middle. And the next thing that you have to do, which is already done here, is on your top layer, you go up here and select Add. If you do not have it on Add, this top layer will just completely ignore the bottom layer. This crop will just erase this clip, or hides the clip in the background. So you need it to add. So basically now what you're doing is you're just adding this cropped portion to the lower portion. And sorry about that. We will jump back over here, because to me, I mean, this image right here sells it. If you're posting a video and you're not doing the color correction, and look, I'm guilty of it too. Up until now, I am going to learn and practice as much as I can to get better at this color correction. I hope this video helps. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.